Welcome to our quick tutorial on Botim's privacy settings. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to control who can view your profile photo on the Botim app. Whether you're aiming for privacy or selective sharing, we've got you covered. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Now, tap on Profile Photo. You'll be presented with several options. Anyone using Botim can see your profile photo. My Contacts. Only people saved in your contacts can view your photo. My Contacts, Accept, allows you to exclude specific contacts from viewing your photo. Nobody. No one can see your profile photo. Finally, choose the option that best suits your privacy preferences. Your selection will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted who can see your profile photo on Botim. Remember, you can change these settings anytime to maintain your desired level of privacy.